Hi, this is your investment update for August 2017. Was a crazy month to say the least, so we'll get to investments really quickly. If you just view it from the outside, it didn't look like much happened. The S&P was up about 30 basis points for the month. International and global stocks were up about 40 basis points, and then our bond markets were up about 90 basis points domestically and about 1% on the global side. So, market looked overall healthy, but it was tremendously volatile the entire month. And you actually had the broader market. By that, I mean the kind of the internals within the index. The S&P was up 30 basis points, but you had over half the stocks down for the month in the S&P. You have a lot of stocks hitting new 52-week lows, and you have a lot of the defensive sectors being the best performers from a broad standpoint, meaning most of the stocks are performing well. And really, the only reason the index is up was because of technology and healthcare. The rest of the sectors are acting kind of poorly. You normally see that as you're approaching some sort of pendulum swing in the market, where you might go from having a very healthy market to at least one that's volatile, if not moving downward a little bit. And small caps were down. International large caps were flat. It's like the first month this year they haven't been up. So overall, it was kind of a tenuous market, even though it ended up for the month. Um, on the other side, we have some more serious stuff. We have geopolitical tensions with North Korea. Those are looking like they're very serious. Those are kind of escalating into September. We're watching those. And you have, some societal unrest here in the U.S. with what happened in Charlottesville. And while that doesn't have any real economic impact, it does put pressure on our political system and kind of impacts policy and kind of just affects the overall tenor of the country, and that in turn can spill over into the markets. So it was a very kind of volatile month all around, on kind of in all aspects. And those are things we continue to watch. And we'll tell you that there's really no Wall Street models that model societal tension or geopolitical, nuclear issues. So those are things that can really affect the market, and they're things we're watching very closely. And so far we feel like a defensive positioning is warranted as we move forward into the fall.